Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today I'm going to change rear brake pads in my uncle's. This is C300 and I have to change rear brake pad in this vehicle. So let's see how it goes, and I'll show you how you can change the brake pads by yourself. I have to actually see if I have this lug nuts opener. I think they have both sides. You can open from inside as well, from the outside as well. So hopefully the one I have is fits in. So without any further delay, let's start and I'll show you how you can change the rear brake pads. Guys, so before you open the brake calipers, so what you have to do is press the power button once, or remove this and insert the key and set to number 1 position. Okay, this is the number 1 position, and then go to menu and stay here in the trip right here, and then what you have to do is hold OK button and the call button together for 5 seconds, and then you will enter this menu. Let me show you. Then you will enter this menu, as you can see, then scroll down, go to brake pad. So once you get to this setting, before you change the brake pad, you have to says move to fitting position with OK. Press OK. Now it is moving to fitting position reach. So exit when you press OK. So when you have to leave this here and then go and change the brake pads from both sides, open the calipers and do that, and then come back. OK, and then it will exit from the fitting position. So fitting position has been exit, confirm OK, and you're all set. So that's what you have to do before you change the brake pads.